Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Till yesterday we had given Muharram festival offer. We had given extra validity and last night it got over, and due to the overwhelming responses we are giving Aadi offer also. So the entire month till the Aadi gets over you will be getting that extra validity offer also with the lifetime validity. We wholeheartedly thank you all for your overwhelming responses. Yesterday alone we have got around 500 to 600 product sale. Thank you for everyone. So now if you are a new user and you have just watching our YouTube channel for the first time, so you may not be knowing what is this indicator. I have seen many indicators in my life. I am into this trading field for more than 15 years. But why this fellow is saying come here, take buy, go there and take sell? What it is, you might be asking. So now to explain you in nutshell, shortly to explain you, most of us what we will be doing, the conventional traders, traditional traders, what they will do, if the market is going up, if they found any breakout, then they will buy there. If the market is coming down, if they found any breakout, they will sell there. And 90% of people, they will simply buy at the high and sell at the low. So this might be happening, but market will reverse and it will give some retracement and they will face some loss. Then they will come out of the market. Then they will wait for a few days, and whenever they are waiting to watch the market, as per their norms, as per their rules, the market will be giving profits. So after a while again they will invest, then same thing will happen, then same thing they will continue, then after some point of time they will quit the trading and they will go out of the market. So this is what will happen. But before that, if you understand the market, it is not the one side market always. So most of the time, almost 85 to 90% of the time, the market is not one way, that is a trending market. It will be sideways market only. It will be sideways market only. So market will open here, then it will go up, then it will come down, then it will go up. Now unless this high is broken, okay, unless this high is broken, market will not move further. So this is the first low, this is the second high, and this is the higher high, and this is the higher low, okay, and it goes on based on the lower low higher high concept. It goes on and it comes down. Now what our indicator is specially designed for? So this indicator is not to be called as an indicator because it is a tool. It will just support you to find where the market is going to reverse, where the market will be reversing from particular point of value. So that's why I am telling you this tool is this what do you call this software should be called as a tool. It will support you. It will support you to get more profit than the loss. Is it clear? Now how to use our indicator? Today I will show you two scenarios. So we have once the market is opened, okay, you will be getting these 9 lines, top 3, bottom 3 and mid 3. So we have to wait for the market, whether market is coming down or market is going up. If the market is coming down, you will be buying at a 6513. I have taken the example of Crudeoil, 6513. So here a buy order is ready and here sell order is ready. If you see here, the high made was 6599 and our entry was 6602. We missed by 3 points, but 3 points also we can consider. At the next high we can take, at the next candle high we can take. If you are not taken sell order there, then here perfectly buy entry got executed. Buy entry was at 6507 and our entry price was 6513. So exactly our buy got activated. Then immediately first target hit, second target hit, third target also hit, fourth target also hit. What we call from buy zone to sell zone is the big target. We can keep that also. So first target, second target, third target, fourth target hit. So again if you want to trade, what you have to do? you have to apply one concept called R3C. You have to apply one concept called R3C. You have to wait for the mark. See here, perfectly you have got the R3C. So one rejection candle and one confirmation candle. You just mark this high and this low. Okay, this high and low if you mark. Once the low of the confirmation candle is broken, don't go for entry immediately. Market will be giving 50% of the confirmation candle retracement. See here, perfectly it has given the retracement here. So now we have to take the entry. When I am telling, already you are in a profit. You booked very good profit. Even if you are getting a loss, that will not affect you. Okay, so here sell got activated. That is happened exactly in our supply zone. That is a more advantage. So if this is happening some other support resistance, that has no value. But if it is happening at our resistance zone, at our support zone, it has 99% of success ratio. Okay, so now from here to here we are booking the profit. First target, second target and third target not reached. Once again it has given a retracement, but the stop loss is not hit. Once again we got the almost second target. Again it has reached the our sell entry. Again we have got the two targets. So from here to here already booked the profit without any validation or any additional point. Simply we just followed the value 6513. We just followed the value and we got the profit. So hope it is clear. So this is how we have to use our indicator. And next thing I will show you the second ratio. Second scenario. What is second scenario? Suppose if SL hit, what to do? See here, yesterday in Bank Nifty buy entry got activated perfectly. Buy entry got activated perfectly and targets hit. Okay, this also no problem. And in copper if you see, sell got activated here but target not hit, SL hit. If SL got to do, we have to go for the reversal entry. That's all. So for reversal entry we have given the option. So go here and give second buy targets. So in second buy we have got perfectly target hit. So hope it is clear. It is very simple. So you can keep in default settings and you can make the trading. Always keep in default setting and keep trading. So here I have kept the default settings Crudeoil, sell activated, all the targets hit. So before going here, don't consider the values. Okay, you have to extend the time frame when you are going for the reversal entry. Otherwise you look for any R3C pattern. So now hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please call us on the given number. See here we have given our indicator number. Contact customer care service number 9500009154, and here we have made on website. So we are sharing the website of the common platform IMS School. So IMS School is our service. We have hosted in this cloud service platform. Okay, so hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please call us. We are ready to help you. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, like and share, or share to all your beloved ones who wants to make the trading share market as their career. And if you are not joined our Telegram group, please join so that we can make the difference. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.